To display the current score, update the text content for the span element. And let's call in the text content property, which is next to the radio button, to be allowed what to be the following template literal. Mm. So let me try. Since it's a template literal, there should be a backticks, and then let's just copy paste this one, and this would be a, what do you call this? I think template literal also. You should set the text content property for score pans to the following. Oh, oh. So it was referring to the score pans, not the what? Mm. Oh, I forgot the text content. Yay. Oh, that would be it. Nice.